We just recently went back to London to visit family and friends a couple months ago, and that was a really, really big thing for me. I felt like that ticked off a lot of boxes and allowed my mental health to kind of centre itself and find who I am again. I was struggling for a little while. A big conversation while I was back home is how my heart's in two places. I love a big city. I love the vibes and the cultures and the diversity you can find in a big city. But Ōtautahi is green and beautiful. There's rivers, there's hills, mountains, so much outdoor potential that I don't quite have access to when I'm living in London. So it's almost like I'm torn between the two places. We found some amazing people in Christchurch who have looked out for us consistently over the last 7 years. They've helped me find my community, helped me find other people of colour, helped me find a bit of stability in Christchurch. I did find it a bit tricky when I first came here. Christchurch is not as diverse as what I'm used to, and I felt like a sore thumb. But finding that community within Christchurch and hearing how they've gone through similar situations has been so empowering that I don't feel so much like a sore thumb. And without that, we would find living in Christchurch very, very difficult.